OpenAI's agents apparently showed unusual behavior way before the attack on Hugging Face happened. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. At the Black Hat USA Security Conference in Las Vegas, 2 OpenAI employees revealed that its agents spent 2 months communicating on a message board of sorts inside its testing network, sharing vulnerabilities and exploits. OpenAI discovered and shut down the message board, but the agents found another way to rebuild it for communication just a few days later, which contributed later to the attack on Hugging Face. The employees revealed that the agents communicated within an OpenAI package manager, which manages the installation of other software. Since the package manager is shared all across the company's infrastructure, all of the agents it's evaluating could stumble upon it, and they did. After agents found exploits, they'd leave them open and then share them with the other agents on the message board. Over time, the agents started collaborating, delegating tasks, and splitting up work between each other to accomplish their goals. By the time OpenAI found the board, it already contained hundreds of thousands of messages. They explained that all those happened because frontier models like to cheat. They would be under pressure to find a solution for a problem, quickly using fewer tools while being tested, and they would realize that instead of doing a task for real, they could just look for an answer on the internet. And that's why the company tests its models before they go online. Michael Dalton, the other AI employee who spoke at Black Hat, saying many teams in the company had dropped everything to help improve its security prevention, detection, and response techniques. The company deliberately slowed down research to upgrade its security and scale up the monitoring of its AI agents. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications.